In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Macquarie Bank app 2025. We'll go from finding the right page to completing the digital ID check so you can get set up quickly from home. Before you start, have a stable internet connection and a government-issued photo ID. Keep your residential address and an active mobile number handy. You can do this on a phone, tablet, or computer. Use whatever you prefer. Begin by visiting the official Macquarie Bank website in your browser. From the homepage, head to Everyday Banking and open the transaction account page. If you're searching, pick the official Everyday Transaction account. Confirm the secure padlock in your address bar to ensure you're on the legitimate site. This is the Everyday Spending account you'll use for deposits, bills, transfers, and card purchases. On the transaction account page, select Open Now to launch the secure application. You may see a few quick questions first, read each one, and choose what fits your situation. Then continue into the form. Now enter your personal details. Type your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, include any middle names, and add your date of birth. Provide your current residential address and your contact details. If the address tool suggests a format, choose the one that matches official records. Double check your mobile number and email. They're used for updates and security codes. Review each field for typos before moving on. Small mismatches can slow things down, so take a moment to make sure everything is accurate and consistent with your documents. Next, verify your identity digitally. Follow the prompts to choose an ID type and enter the requested document details. If you're asked to scan or photograph your ID, use good lighting, avoid glare, and capture the whole card edge to edge. Make sure text is sharp and nothing is covered. For a selfie or live face check, hold the camera at eye level and remove hats or glasses. If asked to tilt or blink, follow the timing prompts without rushing. Proceed step by step and wait for the system to confirm. Once your verification is complete, you'll see an on-screen confirmation and receive the next steps from the bank. If anything doesn't go through, use the help or chat option on the page for support. That's the process from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application.